Let's talk about familiarity in investing and behavioral patterns. People tend to gravitate towards the investments they're comfortable with and that they're familiar with. Just basic human nature. Generally, that means they like the extremes. Whether they realize or not, they're going towards the extremes. For example, this model represents the level of risk in different investments. For example, on one side, you have one of the most conservative assets, which are banks, meaning savings accounts, checking accounts, money markets. Over on the other side, the extreme, are stocks, which are, again, a more aggressive stance. There's no such thing as a non-aggressive stock. Stocks, by nature, are an aggressive stance. So people understand banks because they drive around town and see bank on every corner once in 3, 2. People understand banks because they drive around their city or town and they see a bank on every corner, right? They understand stocks because they look in their portfolio for their 401k or their 403b or their Roth or their 457 or their SEP, and they see stocks that go in those retirement accounts. What they don't understand is there's a whole variety of other assets in between that they can utilize, because most firms don't take advantage of what we call alternative investments, meaning they don't understand the whole wide array in between, the whole universe of other options you have besides the extremes, banks being too conservative, stocks being way too aggressive. They don't understand those variety of different assets that can give them near bank safety and still give them a better return than a bank, similar to a stock. So what we try to do is, at our firm, educate as well as give you full transparency and go over what those variety of assets are that give them an opportunity to get a better rate of return than a bank and still get them better gains like you would with a stock. So if you're interested, pick up the phone, call my office, drop me an email. Let's talk about what those alternative investments are, and we'll go through them one by one. Again, we like to educate people on our strategy and different opportunities that are available to them outside of the two extremes. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.